Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about another amazing and secret website to sell your work, sell your designs and art in the online space. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys. I appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below to help you make more money. You can click on that link and you can actually download it, or either you can also head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter. The link is in description box below. You can click on that link, subscribe to it. It's 100% free. If you change your mind later, you can unsubscribe anytime. So it's also going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online each and every week in your email inbox. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about today's video about a secret website where you can sell your work. I have made a bunch of the videos talking about the secret websites. There are so many websites I have covered in my videos each and every week. I'm gonna leave the complete playlist of the secret website in the card section above if you want to check it out, and if you are looking forward for a new website, for a new opportunity to sell your work and make money online. But today's website is another amazing website. So let's dive in with today's video, which is this website all about and how you're gonna sell your work and how you're gonna make money by that. This secret website is artmo.com. I'm gonna leave all the link of this website in the description box below. You can click on that link and you can very well access that. So when you head over to the first page of the artmo.com, you're going to see welcome to your art community, network, blog, news, marketplace. What is Artmo? Like, you could scroll down and you could see that a bunch of the art network are there, artists is there, the galleries, the exhibition, users, new artworks. There is a lot more there. What exactly the Artmo is? The social art platform. Join in, it's free. An open platform for art lovers, artists, galleries, collectors, universities, and anyone who is involved in the art world in some way. Create your own portfolio, make connections, followers, post on your wall, and much more. A theme-based social network. Imagine a LinkedIn for art, as social as Facebook, plus a shop and a plenty of entertaining and informative content. Served from Germany. So it's a Germany-based website or company, whatever you call it, popular worldwide, connecting the art world, member artists and galleries and university from 200 plus countries and counting. So kind of like a theme-based social network, you could say, social media, especially catering to the artists, where the people can purchase their work. Why Artmo? Why you need to prefer this platform over every other platform? Let's talk about that. Artmo is a digital art platform that connects art enthusiasts, galleries and universities alike from over 120 countries around the world. Then you could very well read more about the details. If you are an artist, Artmo allows you to sell art online, commission free, which sets apart from other online gallery websites. If you are in a market for a new painting, Artmo lets you communicate directly with our artist network to buy art online, while other digital galleries use third-party mediators to monitor artist to buyer interactions, charging between 30 to 35% commission fees. Artmo allows for direct communication between artists and buyers for free. Not in the market for buying or selling art, Artmo is free for anyone who is interested in reading art news, watching videos of cutting-edge projects, and connecting with other art enthusiasts. Join for free today to be a part of our social art network. So that is about the Artmo. Now let's talk. So you could see, if we just go to the toggle button, it's the artworks, buzz, users, artists, a lot more about them. If I go over to the artwork section to have an idea. Now there is a filters guys. You could see the artworks. The people is basically based in the Germany, so I think it's euro or in the pound. So anyone can sign up on this platform, whether you are a buyer, seller, or you're just looking for art news or looking for art companies, universities, exhibitions, and a lot more is there on their website. So you will just going to click over to the sign up option. You're allowed to enter your email, username, password, date of birth. Then you can choose your profile tab, whether you're selling your work, you would be an artist. If you're just scrolling their website, you could be a member or maybe purchasing a website, and then you could sign up for free. It's a free website to sign up. Like, there is no membership. Like in the few of the videos I covered some of the websites where they were having the kind of like a membership like where you are free to join few artworks, like 5 or 10 artworks, and then later on if you want to upload more artwork, you need to go with their premium plan. That's the paid plan. But here it's 100% free, like you don't need to pay for anything to open up, to sign up on their platform, to start selling your work. So that is a little bit different of this website. And also there is a lot more on this website, not just about selling the work, the art exhibition, the universities, companies, art news, the blog articles, the biggest marketplace. Like there is a lot more. It's if you want to purchase it, if you want to sell it, then you can simply log in as an artist. It's free, like 100% commission free, and also free to join. You could very well see the other artists who are selling their work here. And one thing I also want to cover over here regarding Artmo shop is a marketplace, seller and buyer acting directly similar as you might know it from in eBay. For example, we are rewriting the rules in the art online shop world. Artmo is the world's first direct and secondary marketplace for art. Next to established artists, this is opening the doors for undiscovered talents all around the world, being able to display and sell their art and earn what they deserve. Moreover, also private owners of artworks can have their marketplace on Artmo. This is the world's first, since private owners cannot sell their artworks anywhere else, neither online or offline. Once you have your Artmo profile, you can start your own marketplace plan. You will find the sell art button in the menu. Click on it and follow the steps. So that is amazing. First private marketplace. A marketplace subscription plan is available for free. You can upgrade to premium plan anytime. So that is also they also have the premium plan. Like you can get started with the free. You can go to the premium plan if you want to later on. Artmo does not charge sales commission only. They only take a payment gateway fee, that is 2.5%. Additional PayPal or credit card fees may apply. So this is just there is not charge any sales commission. So that's amazing. If you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade to their premium plan. Collectors benefit. The real price for contemporary artwork was never reflecting the real value, because extraordinary high gallery and online shop commission blow up sales prices. Therefore, purchasing on artwork on Artmo will give you the confidence that you have paid what the artist will gain from the sale. This will give you the chance to even sell contemporary artworks without having to wait until potential price increase goes beyond 30% plus, which is usually the minimum commission paid for the price in the first place. So that is quite amazing. You could check it out. The team, they are based in Germany, basically. Their website, the team, the invest, you can get started with the free. Later on, you can upgrade it to the premium plan if you are building your own marketplace. You could do the bunch of the stuffs on this website to sell your work, and I think it's a pretty amazing website. Let me know in the comment section below, are you thinking of about giving it a try? Or if you're looking for a website where you can sell your work for free without paying any commission, then this website could be an amazing friend for you. You could get started with that. You could sell your work on that, and there is commission free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's free to get started with that. And that could be an amazing option looking forward to sell your work on some kind of work, kind of like a social media. A lot more is there, not just on selling artwork. I have already covered it. And also guys, one thing I'm going to tell you, all these websites may be applicable to you or may not be applicable to you. Like some of them would be allow everyone to sign up and would be easy to sign up and easy to sell. Some of them a little bit maybe tricky. You need to actually know the things before selling your work. But again, this purpose of all these series is to actually introduce you to the different websites, different platforms, different kinds of online opportunities where you can sell your work and you can make your money online. Because it's not just about selling your work as a print-on-demand seller or just selling on Redbubble or just selling on Zazzle. There's a lot more on there, and why not to discover the new platform? Maybe one platform may not work for you, but other would be. So make sure to have an eye on whatever is coming in your opportunities and to give it a try before actually coming to any conclusion that this works or this doesn't work. Because coming to a conclusion without actually knowing how it works or not, it's not a good way to be in the entrepreneur world. That's how the things work. Like you need to give it a try and then see whether it worked or not. If it worked, go for it. If it didn't, then you could change it, you can shift it, you can just flip-flop it, whatever you can make important changes in that particular thing and make the thing start working for you. So hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below about this particular website. Have you ever heard about it? Are you thinking of selling on this website? Because some of the websites are also completely new to me. I also haven't heard about them before, so I also don't have much of the experience selling my own work on them. But the purpose is just to introduce you to the different website. But do let me know your experience if you have any on this website. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.